Welcome to the HyperX Academy. Today's tutorial is going to cover the comprehensive suite of features that HyperX uses to help you visualize and interrogate your analysis data effectively. First, let's navigate to the Results tab of the ribbon, where you'll find a variety of tools designed to enhance your data viewing experience. One of the most essential tools is the Legend. The Legend is your main data visualization tool in HyperX. It displays nearly all data values imported from the FEM and generated during your analysis. In the Legend window, you'll see a key, the active data category, and units if applicable. Clicking on a color bin selects model entities with results in that bin, making it a powerful verification tool. The Legend is divided into 3 tabs: Plot, Visualize, and Deform. The Plot tab lets you select which data to view as contours on the model. You can choose from 7 data categories like FEA forces and moments, FEA displacements, and more. In the Plot tab, you can choose data categories and types and decide how the data should be plotted. Options include load convention, units, mode, and entity type, giving you full control over your data visualization. If you decide to perform a sizing run on an element-by-element basis rather than a zone-by-zone basis, you can toggle between the two as shown. The Visualize tab allows you to adjust window opacity, change Legend font and color, adjust the bounds of the color bins, and select color gradients for your plot. You can even set default gradients for future sessions. The Deform tab is for plotting the deformed shape of your model under different load cases. Toggle between undeformed and deformed views, apply a factor to exaggerate deformations, and select different load types and cases for detailed analysis. Next, let's talk about the Data Probe tool, which allows you to dynamically query and label data directly on the model. This is especially useful for identifying critical areas and creating informative screenshots for reports. To use the Data Probe, enable it from the Results tab or the Legend. Mouse over the model to see real-time data values, where you can manually or automatically label data points and even measure distances between points on the model. The Data Probe will always be in sync with the Legend, so whatever data you're plotting in the Legend, it'll show up on the probe as well. The Watch window is another powerful feature for tracking and comparing data. It provides a tabular snapshot of zones, showing inputs, analysis results, and sizing results. To use the Watch window, add data columns and select zones or joints of interest. You can lock data, launch multiple instances for comparison, and copy data to Excel for further analysis. Templates can also be saved for repeated use. Notice the Watch window contains many of the same exact menu options available in the Legend. In this example, let's go ahead and add a margin of safety column and then a critical criterion column as shown. The Analysis Watch window displays all margins of safety for selected zones, helping you to understand and document analysis results. It breaks down data by zones and objects, offering a detailed view of your analysis. To open the Analysis Watch window, select zones or joints and access it from the ribbon or right-click menu. Review margins of safety and access detailed reports directly from this window. Lastly, the Design Result form shows the selected design candidate for each zone, detailing dimensions and material selections. You can view inputs and review all stored designs for a comprehensive understanding of your model. Open the Design Results form by right-clicking on a zone and selecting Design Result. Use this form to review design properties, inputs, and materials. This feature is particularly useful for sequencing composite laminate results. HyperX offers a robust set of tools for viewing and analyzing results, making it easier to interpret complex data and improve your designs. Thanks for stopping by the HyperX Academy.